Reonomy Tutorial 2025 Full Guide for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to explain how to use Reonomy for commercial real estate research and analysis. So first, after logging in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is how the dashboard is going to look like right here. And then this provides an overview of recent property searches and saved data. This is your starting point as well for all research activities. To search for properties, go to the search tab, and then here you can filter properties by location, property type, sale, history, and ownership data. This allows you to pinpoint specific properties that meet your investment criteria. Now, in property details section, you can view comprehensive property information, including building size, lot size, and transaction history. Reonomy also provides ownership data, making it easier to connect with property owners directly. Next, access the Sales tab to analyze recent transactions in specific area. You can view sale dates, prices, buyer details, helping you assess market trends. For deeper analysis, go to the Financial section, wherein this provides data on mortgage history, line records, and tax assessments. Lastly, use the Reports tab to export property data for presentations or analysis. And that's Reonomy Tutorial for Beginners in 2025.